In this video, I want to show you how to trade on the Bybit P2P platform. So we'll talk about how to buy USDT on Bybit and how you can sell USDT also on Bybit. So the first step is to have a Bybit account. So you need to have a Bybit account that is verified. All right. So I'm going to make a video on how to create this account if you do not have an account yet. I'm equally going to put a link in the description so that you can use that link and create a Bybit account. So just in case you do not know, Bybit is a crypto exchange, and on Bybit you can actually do crypto transactions, but you can equally use Bybit for P2P trading. And P2P trading simply means I want to sell USDT and you want to buy, and we can both transact. It's simple as that. So the first thing is to come, this is going to be your Bybit interface, and you want to find here called P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading, and they are going to give you this pop-up that gives you an important information about using this. So you say during this transaction, please use your own account to receive and send payment. So don't use other people's account in case of issues arises, so that it will be easy to solve. So if the counterparty doesn't use its own account, you have the right to refuse it. So if you want to buy let's say Bitcoin or crypto or USDT from somebody and they are not giving you their own account, then you can refuse it. So again, this is to prevent scams and all of that. So you click on acknowledge. So once you click on acknowledge, you are going to see all the current listings on Bybit. So all these listings we are seeing, these are people who want to sell their USDT. So me now, I can basically just, so you can see I have the buy button here, and I can click and I can buy these tokens, which in this case would be USDT. These are equivalent to US dollars. So now if you notice, you see that some of them says that I am ineligible. This is because the seller has set some kind of filters that I do not meet. So you are not going to be eligible for all trades, but you can basically find any trade that you want to buy. So for instance, this guy called Emi Cruz, at the top here you can see that he replies within 15 minutes, and these are the total orders he's had, both his buy and sell order, and here he has 97%, which makes him a trusted good fellow. So this is the amount he wants to sell. He's selling dollar currently at $1,675, and this is the quantity of dollar he has to sell, which is just 20 USDT. Now this is the limit, so you cannot buy less than 4,500 to 5,000 naira. So his payment method is bank transfer, but this guy says I'm equally ineligible for some reason. So let's look at this one. This guy is Ernest, and he sells for 1,680. He has this is the quantity, and then this is the payment method, which is bank transfer. This one is PalmPay and all of that. So let's say I wanted to buy 50k USDT. I can come here, click on amount, and then I want to set the amount that I want to buy. I can say 50,000 Nigerian naira, and then I click on confirm. So everything here is going to refresh, and I'm going to see orders that allow 50,000 Nigerian naira. So as you can see, all these orders, they allow a limit, which means a minimum of 50,000 naira. All right. So you can also come to the payment method here, and you want to select the kind of payment method you want to use and pay. So let's say you want to pay through OPay alone, you can select OPay, and then you can confirm. So all the people who accept OPay, like this guy, he accepts OPay, PalmPay, and bank transfers. This guy accepts OPay, PalmPay, and bank transfers. So you can add more filters like the payment time. All right, so you can say some of these guys, they allow you 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So if you don't pay within 30 minutes, the order is going to cancel or restart. All right, so now let's say I wanted to buy from this guy. this one here, all I have to do is click on buy, and here I'm going to decide if I want to buy with fiat, which is Naira, or if I want to buy with crypto. Of course, the essence of P2P is to buy with fiat, so I'm just going to put the amount I want to buy here. So in this case, it's going to be 50,000 Naira, and then I'm going to click on buy now. So this is the equivalent USDT I am going to receive. Before then, you are going to see the information about this guy. All right, you can see the orders he has completed in the last 30 days, his average release time, and all of that. So if I wanted to buy, I'm just going to click on buy here, and then it's going to give me the guy's account number, and I'm just going to transfer the money to him. I'm going to transfer Naira to him, and after that I'm going to say that I've paid the money. Now I cannot do this transaction because I really do not need to buy this USDT, but this is basically how you can buy USDT. So the moment you make the transfer, the person will receive it, and then the order will pick it that you've made the transfer, and the person just has to verify that they've received the money, and then your crypto or your USDT will be released to you. So this is how you buy USDT on Bybit P2P. So now let's say you wanted to sell. You are the one who has USDT and you want to sell. How do you sell it? So you come here where we have sell at the top, you click on sell, and then you can see people who want to buy the USDT. So in this case, these guys, they want to buy. You can equally select the amount again. Let's say I want to sell 100,000 Naira worth of USDT. I can say 100,000, and we can see different people who want to buy. All right, so let's say I want to select this guy. I can click on sell to him, and then I'm going to select the amount that I want to sell. Now I do not have any USDT to sell to this guy, but if I had, I would just put the amount I want to sell. Let's say I wanted to sell maybe 20 USDT to him. So as you can see, I do not have any USDT, but the moment I did, I need to add a payment method, which is going to be my bank account, and then I'm just going to click on sell. So then they will now send me money using the bank account I've provided, and once I receive the money, I can now say I've received the money and the crypto will be released to them. And this, my friend, is how you can buy and sell USDT on Binance P2P. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please like the video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.